Here's a 2013 Chevrolet Avalanche. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features. External memory control, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, ultrasonic park assist, remote engine start, power adjustable pedals, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, touring suspension, and front heated leather bucket seats. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
At Classic Chevrolet, we want to help. Help you find the vehicle that best fits your needs at the price you want to pay. We're conveniently located just west of the DFW Airport's north entrance.